Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Turbo is the most popular lightweight vacuum cleaner in the market and has won the hearts of customers worldwide. We are going to look at the key features so that you can make a clear decision about your choice. The link to buy this lightweight vacuum cleaner is available in description. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Turbo comes with Smart Seal, allergen system, and an optional Febreze filter, which effortlessly traps dust and allergens, while eliminating odors to freshen your home as you clean. It features a tangle-free brush roll, which ensures to eliminate annoying hair wrap and makes movement easy. It is a lightweight tool, which makes it easy to carry around, while its unique agile design completes your all-cleaning needs. It offers edge-to-edge cleaning and features built-in LED light, which ensures to provide extra convenience. It comes with Pet Turbo Eraser tool and a 2-in-1 pet dusting brush, which provides a customizable clean for pet messes all over your home. It provides powerful edge-to-edge suction for low to high pile carpets, area rugs and hard surfaces, with fingertip suction control and brush roll on and off feature. It comes with quick release extension wand feature, which makes it always ready to tackle messes in those hard to reach spots and clean more messes. It offers swivel steering, which makes its movement easy for all hard, up and down surfaces. It is made with high-quality material, which makes it strong, durable and ensures long-lasting using experience. It comes with cyclonic pet hair spooling system, which provides hands-free empty feature, means you no longer have to touch the yuck. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Turbo Vacuum Cleaner works very smoothly and effectively, which allows you to clean all types of surfaces and areas without any hassle or extra effort.